Hi, this is my first video and I'm going to be doing a video reviewing the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Is this one right here. I bought this online for $59.99, and the reason I bought it is because I don't like to do my hair because my hair, as you can see, is curly and I have long hair. So I'm going to try this out and see if it works. I already put some, it says here, some Brio Geo Don't Despair Repair. It's a leave-in mask. It's this one right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and divide my hair the easiest way I can, because like I said, I don't like doing my hair, and plus I don't do my hair. I'm gonna put these clips on so it can hold my hair. Then I'm gonna take this side and I'm just gonna try and divide this side. I'm gonna turn it on. It has 3-speed, cool, low, and high. I'm gonna put it on high. So this is the final result. This is one side of my hair, and then you have the other side right here. And I have to say, I really like it. I really like how my hair came out. I really do like it. It's nice. So I have to say, this is a good buy, and I highly recommend it, especially for people like me who don't know how to do their own hair. I highly recommend this brush. And the other thing I like about it is that when you're, drying your hair, it's very lightweight. It's not heavy when you're doing your hair. So I really like how it came out.